Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we'll discuss a product that makes the case that it can shield users from the negative effects of electromagnetic radiation released by electronic devices. As we all know, we are surrounded by electronic devices that emit EMF radiation, such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and Wi-Fi routers. While the evidence of the harmful effects of EMF radiation is still debated, some studies suggest that it may cause negative impacts on our health, such as headaches, insomnia, fatigue, and even cancer. That's where the EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker comes in. Which claims to offer protection against these effects by emitting negative ions that neutralize the positive ions produced by EMF radiation. Product features. So, what are the features of this product? The EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker is a small sticker that you can attach to the back of your electronic device. It's made of a combination of natural minerals, such as tourmaline, germanium, and far infrared, that are said to emit negative ions. These negative ions are believed to help balance the positive ions produced by EMF radiation and reduce their harmful effects. How to use. Using the EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker is very easy. First, clean the back of your device with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or oils. Then, peel off the sticker and apply it to the back of your device, making sure it's centered and free of air bubbles. That's it. You can use your device as usual, and the sticker will work in the background to protect you from EMF radiation. Benefits. So, what are the benefits of using the EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker? Well, according to the product's website, it can help improve your overall well-being by reducing the negative effects of EMF radiation. Some of the benefits that are claimed include better sleep, reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, and enhanced immune function. Limitations. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of the EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker is still debated. And there's no scientific consensus on its ability to protect against EMF radiation. While some studies suggest that negative ions may have health benefits, the evidence is still inconclusive, and more research is needed to validate these claims. Conclusion. So, should you use the EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker? Well, that's up to you. While there's no harm in trying it out, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for other measures that can help reduce your exposure to EMF radiation, such as using your device in moderation, keeping it at a safe distance from your body, and using airplane mode or Wi-Fi when possible. If you're concerned about the effects of EMF radiation on your health, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified expert in the field. Closing. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this review informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments about the EMFDE-FENSE negative ion sticker or any other product, Product link description box. Please let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. Please join this group. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.